I'm here to help you. Okay. Do you have a kurti that you don't wear anymore? Just bring that. Yeah? Wait a minute. Would you be able to transform this into something that I can wear to a party? Let's get started.
Lay down your shirt on a flat surface. We are going to cut the front portion from center, making 2 halves. I'm going to fold my kurti like this and cut it from the center. No need to do the markings. It should look something like this. Now I'm going to cut out the buttons opening the front section. Since my kurti is plain white, so to add some details I'm going to use lace. Use all pins to keep the lace in place. Cut ½ inch extra and fold it. Now I'm going to sew the lace using the sewing machine. Similarly, sew the lace on the other half. For deciding the length of my sleeve, I'm measuring my elbow and then I'm adding 2 to 3 inches extra. And then cutting the sleeve accordingly. And doing the similar thing on the second sleeve. To break the plain pattern, I'm using the crochet fabric and using it to make the flare of my bell sleeves. Bell sleeves are in trend these days. You can have as big as you want, but I'm not going too crazy. So my sleeves are going to be 8 inches wide. So for the more finished look, I'm using the lace on the freshly cut sleeve before adding the crochet fabric. Doing it on both the sleeves. Now the lace part is done. Now let's start working on the crochet fabric. Sew the crochet fabric to the ends of your sleeve. Once it is done, turn your sleeve inside out and complete the bell sleeve by sewing the 2 ends. To sew the 2 ends of crochet fabric, I'm using lace as crochet has holes and machine won't work. So one sleeve is complete. Now repeat the whole process for the other sleeve.
So your DIY restyling of the kurti is done. So let's see how we can wear this with different outfits.
I'm wearing this cute suit. Since my kurti is very short and to add some glamour, let's throw our newly created jacket on. I kept it plain white so that I can wear it with different colors. You can definitely add colored lace or colored crochet fabric if you like. I'm loving the look of crochet fabric on my sleeves. Made simple shirt look so elegant. Let's try it with jeans. Wear a statement necklace and you are ready to rock. Our Jeeto looks quite happy now. So we transformed this plain boring kurti into something like this. Do let me know what you guys think of this DIY so that we can do similar DIYs in future. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it and also comment down below. So subscribe for more awesome videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!